As a part of learning web processing services, today I'm going to show you how to create a polygon by using the Python code and by using the ArcPy copy feature management tool. So first of all, I will open the notebook here, and this one will be the map where I will show the map that will be outputted by using this notebook. So here first of all I would import ArcPy. So import ArcPy. The ArcPy is imported because the asterisk sign has been changed and the number is given here. As I had already done the code before, it's written 75, otherwise it will be written as 1 or something. So in point 1 I will describe point 1 as this point. 12 and 16 will be my first point, so hit enter, and point 2 will be my 14 and 18. Point 3 will be 11 and 20. Yeah, then after that we will create an array and we'll call the ArcPy function module name array. Just it is an empty array. So in this array we will import this point. So for this we should first manage these points into a index. So this will be the list of these points in the index form. So I will add all these points to this array which is empty here. So I will use the extend function. After this the point will be added to the array. Now I will call the polygon function and I will insert these arrays like these points into the polygon. So shift enter, and then after I will use the ArcPy toolbox named copy feature management. So for this we will use this polygon here as the input, and the output will be here in this file. So I will just change my output folder here, like I have created a folder named cycleway/YouTube. So I will just copy this path and paste it here. So after this we will see the output will be copied to this path. Yeah, the output has been created, and the map will be automatically generated here with the unknown coordinate system. So it will have no coordinate system. So I will also show you how to add the coordinate system here. So if we go to zoom to layer, we can see the polygon features which we had created by using the code. Then after we are going to use we are going to add the spatial difference, so that we will have the coordinate system here. So for this I will not use these points, I will use other points like this one. So I will first create a point 1 and point 2. 3 points are there. So just shift enter and shift enter. Then like in the previous, I will create an array. In that array I will add all these points. Yeah, so in the previous case I have created an array. I have created a list of points and I just extend it, but I had used another feature named add here, so it will give the same result. So then after I will create the array, like in this array these 3 points will be added, and I will give the numerical value to it. After this we will just buffer this to 50 meter. This point will be buffered here, we will see it in the output. So this buffer um, will be copied to a new feature. Then I will use the copy feature management as before, and I will have the input as this feature, and the file will be copied to this path, or let's say I will also give this path to here, and shift enter. It has unknown coordinate systems again, so the new point is polygon. So let's see this one. Yeah, these points is this, and see the properties here. In the source we can see spatial reference is unknown coordinate system, and we have extent of this and nothing else here. So we are going to add the spatial reference system, so that there will be the spatial reference as a some coordinate system. So I will add 4326 coordinate system. So let's see what will be the result. Like I will give the spatial reference as 4326 to the spatial ref, and I will add this spatial ref to the this feature, so that polygon. And let's see, and I will copy the features again to this path, copy and paste it here. So when I enter shift enter, I can see the polygon 4326 here as output. So when I go here and zoom to layer, this will be the polygon, and when I go to the property and spatial reference, we can get WGS 1984 as a spatial reference system, and all the datas like semi major axis, semi minor axis of the ellipsoid. Yeah, these are the things we can see after adding the spatial reference system. Again, I will go to the notebook, and I will create a buffer. Just I will create a buffer of 500, and I will create a donut hole. Just enter these codes, and again I will change the output. I also don't know about all the things here, but I think that this difference is a toolbox of ArcPy. I'm also learning. So shift enter, we can see the output here in the map. Yeah, this is the output. So when we look at the properties, there is unknown coordinate system for the polygon 2. So we can similarly add, here is no any coordinate system in this polygon, so we can add this we can add the spatial reference to this polygon also. So let's try this. Just copy this code here, and then copy this code, and we have to add the spatial reference as here. Let's see, just write any I will write here as a feature, and in here I will just write polygon 1 2 3. So shift enter. Feature is not defined, so features list object has no attribute project as. Okay, this is a list, so we can't use list, I think. So I will project just download whole. Yeah, this works, and I will just copy this one, and I will copy here, and I will write 1 2 3 here, and the output will be just save as here. We can see the output here. So let's see, zoom to layer. It's not working, but the spatial reference has been added to here. It's not showing, I don't know why, but the thing we are trying to do here is a spatial reference, so it is showing here. Okay, thank you for watching.